Hey guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Python function named sum. Sum function is used to summing the values, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So I have written some points here, and you can see I will explain one by one. First, let's sum values in the list. I created my list here, right? Now let's sum all these values. Simply I will use print sum my numbers. Okay, you can see sum of all these number is 55. Now our second point is summing the value with starting value. So if I want to sum all this value and then also add something like I'm setting 10 here, so it will sum these values and add this number and give me the result, right? If I change it to 15, it will add 15 to the result sum of these values. You can see 70. Okay, our next point is to sum values with list comprehension, and this is very interesting. Let's find only sum of even values in this list. So what I'm going to do is to use list comprehension. I showed this list comprehension in my previous videos, I think short videos. You may also check them. Okay, so here I'm using x, and for x in my numbers, and I have to use, of course, if condition. If x modulus 2 0, okay, now it will give me sum of only even numbers. Let me run the program, and you can see 30, right? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, the result will be 30. So 30 is the sum of only even numbers in the provided list. Okay, and the next point is some values from dictionaries. So first let me create my dictionary here. Okay, so I created this small dictionary, and I'm going to sum values from this dictionary using the sum function. So what I have to do, here is a sum function, and I will use my numbers dot values. Okay, this is the dictionaries method, and you can see this sum of all the values in the dictionary is here, right? Now our last point is some booleans values. Okay, so let me create some boolean values: true, false, true, true, false. Each true will be counted as 1 and false will be counted as 0. And here I will simply pass my numbers. Let's see. 1. Why 1? Okay, sorry. Now you can see this, right? I mistyped that. Okay, so now this is the list of boolean values, and it counted only true, as 1 and false as 0. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is the result of our boolean value sum. Okay guys, I hope this will be very useful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.